Hi, I'm Alex. I just moved in next door.
Oh, nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jamie.
Nice to meet you too. How long have you lived here?
About 3 years. It's a quiet place.
That's good to hear. I like quiet places.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Where are you from, Jamie?
I'm from a small town near the sea.
That sounds lovely. Do you miss it?
Yes, especially the fresh air. What about you?
I'm from the city, so this place feels calm. It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it feels warmer than yesterday.
I hope it rains later.
Me too. The weather has been very dry.
What do you do, Jamie?
I work in an office as an assistant.
Do you like your job?
It's busy, but I like my coworkers.
That makes a big difference. What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 and drink coffee.
Same here. Then I go to work.
I like calm mornings.
Jamie, long time no see.
Alex, it's been years. How are you?
I'm doing well. Life is busy.
Same here. We should meet more often.
Yes, definitely. How was your day?
It was long, but not bad.
Anything interesting?
I met an old friend at work.
That's nice. Do you have a best friend?
Yes, her name is Lily.
How did you meet her?
At school. We've been friends for years.
That's special. Do you have plans this weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll stay home.
Want to watch a movie together?
Sure, that sounds good.
Would you like to get coffee later?
Yes, I'd love to.
There's a nice cafe nearby.
Perfect. What time?
Around 4.
That works.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and walking.
I enjoy listening to music.
That's relaxing too.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a comedy last night.
Was it funny?
Yes, it made me laugh a lot.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft pop music.
Me too. I listen to it when I relax.
Music helps my mood.
Do you want to come to the party?
Thank you, but I can't this time.
No problem. Maybe next time.
Yes, I'd like that.
Do you have a big family?
Not really. Just my parents and sister.
Are you close to them?
Yes, we talk often.
What's your home like?
It's small but comfortable.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
What do you remember from childhood?
I remember playing outside every day.
That sounds fun.
Yes. Life felt simple then.
What's your favorite food?
I love noodles.
Me too. Do you cook them?
Sometimes, but not very well.
Do you like cooking?
Not really, but I try.
I cook simple meals.
Simple food is good.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Is it friendly?
Very friendly and playful.
Tell me about your hometown.
It's quiet and green.
Do you visit often?
Yes, I go there every year.
You look tired today.
Yes, I didn't sleep well.
You should rest tonight.
I will. Thanks.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends.
I feel the same.
Simple things matter most.
I have good news.
Really? What is it?
I got a new job.
That's great. Congratulations.
I lost my keys today.
Oh no. Did you find them?
Yes, they were in my bag.
That happens to me too.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
I feel stressed at work.
Maybe take short breaks.
That's good advice. I want to sleep earlier,
Me too. It's not easy.
but it's good for health.
Yes, we should try.
What do you want to do next year?
I want to learn new skills.
That's a good plan.
I hope I can do it.
I'm sorry I was late.
That's okay.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem at all.
I need to go now.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you next time.